Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. It's the Wild Wild West here. Gets on his horse and rides to the west. Sitting here in the community hospital at Riverside, outside, waiting for a helicopter to come in. But what you see in front of me, guys, is the helipad for the helicopters to come in. Right up there. They land right up there. So sometimes they come from that direction. Sometimes they come from that direction. So yeah. So guys, the third, I'm picking up my new car. It'd be nice to get one of those Chevy Tahoes, but I'll just have to keep looking. So what I'm gonna be getting is a Toyota. Well, it looks pretty dark over there, guys, huh? Cloudy and dark. It's gonna be rainy for the next day or so. Then after that, we're gonna be getting a break. So, sitting outside, enjoying the fresh, cold air. Got my nice warm jacket on. Got my dad got me. Pretty warm. I'm not even cold out here. So, pray for my wife. Hope she gets better today. Know that she got me a nice Valentine's gift for my late Valentine's gift. She got me a smartwatch that has everything on it, but no camera. But it's okay. I don't need a camera on my watch. As long as it has everything, that's all that matters. Ooh, there's lightning. Way over there, guys, there's lightning. So, the van that I'm getting is going to be sitting 8 people. So, we're going to see how it runs. If it runs good, we're going to take it home. But, if it starts making any kind of engine noises, I'm not bringing it home. So, you'll see when I get it. Yeah. So, it's going to be my first time owning a Toyota in my life. I owned a Ford for 10 years. But now it's time to get over a Ford and get a Toyota. Because Toyota lasts us forever, guys. They sure do. There's a plane way over there. So, thank you guys for watching my videos, liking and hitting subscribe. I'm up to 83 subscribers, and I really do appreciate it, guys. It means that's a lot to me. I put a lot of effort into my videos, put a lot of time into it, and I just do the best I can. And once I get my van, I'm going to be making a lot more. Thing is, these ambulances stink. They smell. I'm not sure what they're running on. It's either CNG or regular fuel. But they smell. Nice weather out, guys. Nice weather. Beautiful clouds. Alright guys, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more weather updates. And we'll see you guys on the next video in a couple of days. Catch you all later. Yeehaw!